In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use 4 helpful Evernote features to stay organized. We're going to walk through a simple workflow that helps you create notes more efficiently, format them clearly, scan paper documents into your note, and then move everything into the right notebook so it's easy to find later. Start by opening Evernote and tapping the green plus sign to create a new note. Once your note is open, tap the checkbox icon just above the keyboard. This turns your note into an interactive to-do list, which is especially useful if you're tracking tasks, planning a project, or building a quick checklist. As you add items, you'll be able to check them off directly inside the note, which makes it much easier to stay on top of what's done and what still needs attention. Next, let's make the note easier to read. Highlight any text you want to adjust, then use the formatting toolbar to organize it. You can add bold emphasis to important points, italicize key terms, or create numbered headers to give your note a cleaner structure. Good formatting makes your notes more scannable, especially when you come back to them later. If you need to add a paper document, receipt, or printed page, tap the camera icon inside the note. Then hold your phone over the document and let Evernote automatically detect the edges, crop it, and digitize it for you. This is a great way to keep physical paperwork stored alongside your digital notes without needing a separate scanning app. Finally, to keep everything organized, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner of the note and choose Move Note. From there, place it into the notebook that fits best, such as a work notebook or a personal notebook. Taking a moment to sort notes right away can save you a lot of time when you need to find them later. And that's it. With these 4 features, you can make your Evernote notes more useful, more organized, and much easier to manage.